Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. And today, I'm not working on a car. I'm dealing with the Insignia Amazon remote. This is for an Amazon TV. It is a Insignia. Okay. So what we're looking at today is this is your typical Amazon remote. It's got the little microphone, all that stuff. How to open it up. Okay. So the remote stopped working. I put new batteries in, it's not working, so something's wrong. But anyway, the batteries inside, so the first thing you're going to do is obviously remove the cover right here, and this is tricky with this thing, guys. Okay, so when I was in there, the batteries had corroded a little bit. They had started to foam over. You see that can actually damage your electronics. So one way you can try to fix it is get in there and kind of clean it out with a Q-tip, and sometimes baking soda with water will work. You can always lube it with a little WD-40, I think. So anyway, there wasn't a ton of corrosion. I cleaned out some of it, but anyway. So what I'm showing you today is how to get into the circuit board here, because this was a lot harder than it should have been. And shame on Insignia, shame on Amazon for making this a repair job versus So anyway, the first thing, so I thought it would be simple, right? Take off all the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You think you can get it open. Well, I was still getting some resistance there. I was like, what's going on? Turns out, underneath this instruction panel here, I was feeling around, there's a screw under that. Why does that make sense, guys, to have to remove the phone number for service or parts to get to the screw? They really don't want you opening these remote. I don't know what it is. Okay, so anyway, so I found the hidden screw in there, got that open. Then it was still sticking. It was sticking up here, and I was like, are there hidden screws? What's going on? Well, it turns out there were little snaps on the side here where you need to take probably one of these screwdrivers that's a flathead. This is the Phillips head, like eyeglass screwdrivers, and pinch it in between this spot here. Now, when I open it, I'm going to show you. I actually broke it because of that. I couldn't find the pinches, so one of them snapped. Okay, but right along in here, there's little snaps there. Okay, so you can see there's where I broke it, and over here is the snap. So when you push down with the screwdriver, it will free those up. But not a well-designed remote. Insignia, I believe, is a Best Buy brand, and it's awful. But I think this may be standard for most Amazon remotes. I could be wrong. So here's your circuit board here. I don't see any corrosion. I'm still trying to get to the bottom of this, and I may not be able to fix this. I may just have to order a new one. Guess what? Amazon wants you to order a new one on Amazon, right? 15, 20 bucks, I guess. But so I couldn't get in there. But it is interesting to see the inside of the remote. There's a little chip. That's the thing that uses all the voice commands and tracks everything you watch and sends it to I don't know, whatever. But it's actually a pretty complicated circuit board. Almost a little bit like a micro computer on the inside here. I'm not going to unscrew these, but I may if the remote stops working completely. It is possible. I don't see any corrosion under there. But again, that was where I screwed up. There's a snap there and a snap there, and you have to get in there very carefully with a screwdriver in the head of the remote up here. So you don't snap it. So I hope this helps some of you guys out. If you're trying to clean out your remote, if it's got some gunk in it, and you're the kind of person that likes to repair things yourself versus paying for a new one. But again, not a very well-designed remote. And I've always found that this cover easily comes off. It snaps off. So it might be time for a new remote. But just thought I'd show you guys where the screws were. And again, if you already knew this, if you're wonderful. If not, it always helps to post a video to help. So this will hopefully eventually help somebody. And then you've got 2, 4, 6, 7 screws holding that in, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yep. So 7 little tiny screws, and you can use one of these little Phillips heads. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I try to post videos whenever I have something that I think can help other people. My car videos seem to be the most popular. However, taking apart a remote is also something that can help a lot of people. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you also click the get notifications if you like videos on how to fix stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.